Today we're gonna go ahead and smoke a big old piece of pork. Not exactly sure what it looks like quite yet. She's in there working on it, but we're gonna smoke up a big old piece of pork. I'll spend the better part of the day out here doing that and just kind of milling around outside. So I figured I'll turn on the camera and we'll share the experience together if you so desire to watch this video. So anyways, take a look at what we got going on here. Of course, not a whole lot. The dogs are chilling out. Hey baby, that there's Chewy. Chewy girl, she's relaxing. It's pretty hot out, so the dogs aren't really moving around too much. Kimchi's laying around. We got let's see, I think Chloe back here. Hey Chloe, hey Chloe, hey, hey girl. Oh, whatever, I'll leave her alone. And then of course we got Jam. Right girl? Yeah, spread your legs there, won't it? So anyways, we're reading about 35 degrees Celsius outside today. And what do we got? 39% humidity. That's pretty good. The 35 Celsius, it's getting warm. I figure it's just after 11 a.m. So it can only get hotter from, you know, going forward. Okay, that's about as far as I'm going to go with the cleaning. I just scraped up the grate, cleaned out the box, the heat box, whatever you want to call this thing, where we put the wood and the charcoals and all that good jazz. So she's all ready to go. Just got to get her fired up, bring it up to temperature, and then we'll be putting some meat on there here in a little while. Meanwhile, we got Chloe chilling out, keeping everything under control, right? Watching after things, making sure I'm doing things right. Good girl. Yeah, she's a sweetheart. Boy, she's a good dog. Her and her sister and the other two, they're all good dogs. We got lucky here. Yeah, good baby, right? And also check out these bananas we freaking harvested the other day. This is the second or third harvest here just recently. Isn't that nice? That's a lot of banana, boy. There we go. That is one big hunk of meat. I think it's some pork rib action, I believe, right? Mm-hmm. With, put some mustard on there as kind of a bonder, and then some Cajun seasoning to give it a little kick. And then we'll be smoking that all afternoon. It's about 11:30 right now. I want to have this on the smoker before probably noon, so we can do a 6-hour smoke and cook. So there we go, right there. Looks good. Okay, we're in business, guys. We've got smoke. Let's open up the dampener and get some flamage going here. Bring this up to temperature. Oh, excuse me, babe. We just turned it on, so we're pretty much zeroed out on the gauge on the thermometer there. And it's smoking up inside nicely already. So, yep, we're on our way. It's about 11:48. My goal is to have the meat on the smoker by 12. All right, the moment has come. You ready, Chef? Yeah. Let her do the honors. Here it is in its rawest form. She's going on the smoker at what? I'll look at the clock here in a second. We can center it, babe. You just put it right smack dab in the center of the smoker.
Or just...
Yeah. But bring it, haul it back a little bit towards you. Just a little bit.
Like that?
Right crosswise. I think. And then bring it to left. And then pull it forward. There we go. Just put it right smack dab in the center. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. All right, so we're gonna smoke this at about what, 235? Go ahead and close it, babe. Smoke this at about 235, 250-ish maybe. So on the old Barrel Pro. And we'll go about 6 hours on this. Well, we'll do 3 hours. Then we'll bring it inside. We'll cover it all up with some honey, brown sugar, and what else? Butter. And then we'll wrap it up in tin foil and we'll throw it back on for another 2 hours. But we'll show you that when we get there.
But
So
honey and sugar.
here we go. 12:05. So I would say about 6:30, somewhere in there, we'll be ready to go. So, all right, we'll come back at you here soon. Okay, we've been smoking this piece of pork for a little over 3 hours now. We're gonna go ahead and unseal the lid and open her up, see how we're looking. It's really smoking up really nice right now. I almost hate to disrupt it because it's really smoking up good, but we should probably pull it out. So, wow. Oh yeah, that's looking good.
I'll do this one first.
Yep, looking pretty good. So we'll go ahead and get some butter on this, and some honey, and some brown sugar, and we're gonna wrap it up and throw it back on. All right, get that thing buttered up. Oh. Yeah. Are we doing it right, Chloe? Huh? Are we doing it right? So a little over 3 hours of smoke. Now we're going to go ahead and actually cook it so we can maybe go a little higher temperature on this.
Because the meat is thick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
I'll open up the grill. Or the smoker, rather. Oh man, it's still full of
This
smoke.
one,
Look at
like
that.
this?
Yep. No, just bring it up in the middle again, just where it was before.
Okay.
There we go. There we go. 2 hours.
Chloe's running away because of the smoke.
2 hours now. We got to get the temperature back up to maybe around 250-ish. That's where I probably want to keep it, and then we'll go for 2 hours. All right. We'll see how it looks when it comes off. Where are the dogs?
Chloe's right.
Oh, we got one right here. What's this, Chewy? Chewy! How's it going, girl? We've been wetting them down with the hose, keeping them cool on this hot afternoon. Oh, Chewy, Chewy, Chewy. There's the chef.
Dito. Come here. She's there. Hiding.
Where is she?
Come here. No smoke anymore.
Hey, come here, girl. Hey,
Come here.
hey, you. There she is.
You're so big, but you.
We make fun of her because she sounds like Scooby-Doo. Huh? Ruh-roh. Hey, you. Hey. Yeah, she's sniffing around, man. She's like, where's that meat at? Where is it? I know it's here somewhere.
When you open that one, she runs.
There we go. That's a nice hot firebox right there. Cooking this pork. It's coming right along. A little while longer. We're almost there. Okay, we just did 2 hours of cook time on the pork, and we'll go ahead and unwrap it and see what we got inside. Hopefully it didn't shrink up on us. Looks like we got a nice, yeah, smoked aluminum. Bet that's pretty hot though. What we got? Lots of juices. Ooh, she looks pretty. Yep. Looking good.
Put it back, right?
Yep. We'll just take the whole tray. Take the whole tray over there and just throw it back on there without the foil.
Without.
Yep.
up?
Yeah, I suppose you probably could. Yep, meat side up. Dang, look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Bring it towards the front a little bit, because I'm going to be saucing it here in a little bit. So that is the almost finished product, guys. And I would say it's looking pretty darn good. That's an almost finished product right there, guys. It's looking beautiful. So we'll be putting some sauce on there. We'll glaze her up here in a little bit. And then we'll show you what we have when that time comes. Okay. We are going to do the last flip. I already sauced both sides. And we're going to flip it one more time. And we'll sauce this top part again. With some Sweet Baby Ray's and a little bit of apple cider vinegar mixed in.
Yeah, and sugar.
So, and what?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar on there as well? Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Alright, that works.
For the consistency of the...
Alright. So we'll put another coat of this on. Well, the type can never have too much of this, right? I already did these sides kinda in the back. So yeah, buddy. I've been watching this smoker smoke for the last 6 hours, so I'm ready to pull this puppy off soon. It's a full day of babysitting the meat.
Before you eat nice food, you have to suffer.
Yep. If you want to play, you gotta pay. So this is it. We'll just kind of let that settle in, and if we want to add more later when we're eating it, we can just dab it on the meat as we're eating it, I suppose. So works good, lasts a long time. Alright, so we'll show you how the inside looks later when we start eating. But for now, this has got to sit for maybe another 15-20 minutes. Right? See you in a few.
I need to find the ribs.
Yep. So we let it sit for about 20 minutes after we pulled it out of the smoker. So we're going to go ahead and just take a peek at what we have here before we sit down and eat. Nice.
Easy, easy.
Is it tender enough?
Yeah.
Sure?
Very tender.
Oh, yeah. Looks pretty good.
You didn't see how
I didn't dry it out, did I? Because I cooked it extra. Or actually, I cooked it at a higher temperature today than I normally do.
You didn't dry it all.
Oh, she looks really good. I'm sure you probably can't see it too well on this video, but we have a nice smoke ring there. Yep, she looks good. Real good. Go ahead and plate it. If you want. Or don't. Alright. Well, that's it, guys. That's what you call 6 hours of smoking. A big piece of
the juices.
Pork rib. Looks really good. We'll bring the barbecue sauce in here, and we'll add a little extra if we need to. But other than that, we're going to sit down and eat, guys. Hey, thanks a lot for joining us throughout this crusade. It was a long day, a long day. I was out there all afternoon, chugging lots of water, though, that's for sure. It was hot. So, anyways, thanks again, guys. We're going to sit down and eat, and we'll do it again some other time. All right? Sounds good. Okay. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.